The impression is poured in stone and dye preparation is done using the technique shown in image. Identify the system. So we have a dye system to identify in the given image. The options are dialog system, Pindex system, DVA model system and ZSER model system. We will come back to the image. Let's go through these systems, dye systems first one by one. Okay. So here we have a dialog system. So you have segmented trays in this system. These are the trays. In this tray, you are going to use a single pour technique to pour a cast. This is how you will receive a cast. Then with a fret saw, you section the dies. So these are individual dies. And then you can place it here and form the base. Okay, this is the die lock system of making dies. This is the Pindex system of making dies. Here you have the special equipment. These are the dowel pins and the rubber caps. So after you pour the impression in alginate or whichever material, silicones, alginate, whichever, then you pour it in stone and you obtain the cast. Now with the cast, you are going to put it on the drill stage. This is the drill stage and make holes. So with the laser marking, you will know where exactly to drill holes. As you can see on this image, there are small red dots. With this, each hole you are going to orient it according to the position of the tooth. Below each tooth, you will put dowel pins. The dowel pins will be covered by this plastic cap. Then you pour a base. Okay, these are the dowel pins with the plastic cap. After you pour the base, the dowel pins are attached to the cast and the base, the plastic sleeve goes to the base. So this becomes a die. Okay, this is the Pindex system. The next system is the DVA model. Here you have the alginate impression which is trimmed and placed on the fixture. Okay, then you locate the dowel pins on this impression. You place the dowel pins directly on this and then you pour the impression. So here you are securing the dowel pins before pouring the alginate impression and then you are going to section the dies. This is the final cast and then pour the base. So this is DVA model system. And the last option is ZSER model system. This also has a device like the Pindex unit. Here the alginate or the elastomer impression is first boxed with a silicone putty and then you are going to place the die pins, pour the base, pour the impression first and then pour a base. The base is actually not to be poured, it is readily available like this in plastic. And then you section the die on a die cutter. This is the final die. This is ZSER model system. Now coming to the question, we have to identify. So the identifying features here, this plastic base, the silicone putty index and placement of the dowel pins before pouring. These are indicative of the ZSER model system. So the correct answer is ZSER model system.